that death penalty affects human rights. The inherent dignity of every person is disrespected by the death penalty because it is regarded as a cruel and unusual punishment. The UN General Assembly
innocent being executed, right? C. So the problem is not with the death penalty. The problem is with the error of the system, which means that the court does not define is he innocent or not.
Now let's talk about forgiveness. It's not always the answer, but the things you really focus is about the action. Is that intention or unintention? And also we don't want them to influence. And people might say that, how can they be influenced because they are a criminal? People already know that they are guilty. But the thing is that people born with different perspectives. We don't know what they are thinking of. And we don't know what happened tomorrow. That's why we don't want girl or woman to suffer from this kind of action. To sum it up, introducing the death penalty is not revenge, but it is the highest degree of social protection. And standing here, I will propose that we have disagreed with this motion. Thank you.
If death penalty is as effective as they claim it is to be, then why do all European countries have abolished it for almost 20 years? Because they believe that all life should be protected by law and not ended by law. So you can take the house on fire, for example. When the house is on fire, you don't just let the fire finish everything. You have to try to save what are left so you can fix it for a better use later. This applies to humans as well. No matter the crime that they did in the past, as long as they are willing to redeem themselves and to change themselves to be someone else better, to be a hero, there's always a chance that the murderer, even though the serial killer, have a chance to become a good person.
So the best debate group goes to, can anyone guess? The best debate group goes to the government team. The best speaker who has got 19.5 is Lee Mei Chan.